Close your eyes for a moment and think back to your childhood. Picture yourself holding a warm cup of chai, and in your other hand, a biscuit, small, simple, yet packed with a taste so familiar that it feels like home. Yes, that biscuit is Parle-G. For decades, Parle-G has been more than just a snack. It has been a part of our childhood, our train journeys, our quick breakfasts, and even a silent companion during hard times. But have you ever wondered how this humble biscuit became the world's best-selling biscuit? How did a small Indian company challenge British brands and make a product so powerful that it reached every household, every village, and every heart in India? Who is the man behind Parle-G? And why did he decide to start making biscuits? This is not just the story of a brand. It's a story of vision, resilience, and a dream that changed India forever. Let's go back in time to where it all began. The year was 1929. India was still under British rule, and most businesses, big or small, were controlled by the British. Ordinary Indians could only watch as foreign companies dominated the market, selling everything from clothes to food. Among them was a young, ambitious entrepreneur named Mohanlal Dayal Chauhan. Born into a modest Gujarati family, Mohanlal had one dream: to create something truly Indian, something that would serve the people and not just the privileged few. With this dream in his heart, he set up a small confectionery factory in Vile Parle, Mumbai. He named his company Parle Products, after the very place where it was born. At first, Parle made sweets and toffees, but Mohanlal had bigger dreams. He wanted to make something that could reach every Indian, rich or poor. Something affordable, something nutritious, something truly Indian. And so, he turned to biscuits, a product that, at the time, was a luxury only the British and the wealthy could afford. It was the year 1938. After years of experimentation, Parle introduced Parle Gluco, India's first ever locally made glucose biscuit. But why glucose? At that time, India's working class, especially factory workers and laborers, had limited access to affordable nutrition. The British were importing biscuits, but they were too expensive for the common man. Mohanlal saw an opportunity. He created a biscuit that was rich in glucose and milk, giving people a quick source of energy. Affordable, so that even the poorest could buy it. Locally made, a direct challenge to British brands. Little did he know, his biscuit was about to become a national sensation. Then came World War II. During the war, British imports of food products, including biscuits, became scarce. Indians now needed a homegrown alternative, and Parle Gluco stepped in at the perfect time. It became the go-to biscuit for millions of Indians. Soldiers, students, workers, children, everyone loved it. The biscuit was not just food, it was a symbol of self-reliance. Parle Gluco was everywhere. But success also brought competition. Many brands started copying Parle Gluco, using similar names and packaging. That's when Parle made its smartest move, the birth of Parle-G. By the 1980s, the market was filled with glucose biscuits that looked and tasted just like Parle's. To protect its identity, Parle took 3 bold steps. 1. They rebranded Parle Gluco to Parle-G, where G stood for glucose and genius. 2. They introduced the now iconic yellow and white packaging, making it instantly recognizable. 3. And they put a little girl on the packet. A simple, innocent face that soon became a part of every Indian home. Now, let's address the mystery that has puzzled millions. Who is the Parle-G girl? Many people believed she was a real child, a model, a film star, maybe even someone's daughter. But the truth? She was just a beautifully illustrated drawing, created to symbolize the innocence and intelligence of young India. And with that, Parle-G became unstoppable. Parle-G didn't just sell biscuits, it sold emotions. The G for Genius campaign made every Indian child feel smart and special. Advertisements focused on simple family moments, making Parle-G a biscuit everyone could relate to. Parle made sure their biscuits were available everywhere, even in the remotest villages. This marketing genius ensured that no matter where you went in India, Parle-G was always within reach. What made Parle-G so powerful? 1. Price. It was always the most affordable biscuit. 2. Taste. Even after decades, the taste remained the same. 3. Availability. From metro cities to small villages, you could find Parle-G anywhere. 4. Emotional connection. People didn't just eat Parle-G, they grew up with it. And the results? By the 2000s, Parle-G wasn't just India's favorite biscuit, it became the world's best-selling biscuit by volume. It even beat Oreo, the world-famous American biscuit. And then came 2020, the COVID-19 pandemic. When lockdowns hit and people struggled to find food, Parle-G once again became the biscuit of the people. It was affordable, filling, and familiar. It became the top-selling FMCG product in India during the pandemic. Even in difficult times, Parle-G stood by India, just as it always had. From a small factory in Mumbai to the world's #1 biscuit, Parle-G's journey is a testament to Indian entrepreneurship, resilience, and smart marketing. But beyond business and success, Parle-G is something more. It is a memory of our childhood. It is a symbol of Indian self-reliance. It is a biscuit that has stood the test of time. So, the next time you dip a Parle-G into your chai, remember, you're not just eating a biscuit, you're tasting history. Would you like to hear more such success stories? Let us know in the comments. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to India Uncovered now for more amazing content.